Okay, sweetie.
I was gonna take a picture.
Okay, so here we are. What did we just do? Explain what's going on.
We ripping up carpeting in hopes, I hopes that the hardwoods were gonna be in good shape and wouldn't need any repair or whatever. Anyway, they're beautiful. Of everything, all the rooms have got one little section that has some damage. That's it. Everything else we've seen, I mean, it's a lot of it. I think we can sweep them. I don't think they even need to be sanded or.
I'm thinking they need to send, but we'll see where we end up.
But yeah,
Yeah.
they look absolutely beautiful. We just saved us $2,000 and not having to do this, give or take. Oh,
So we've got hardwood floors. Everywhere we want hardwood floors anyway.
hello.
And we'll see where we end up. We have to do something with that, and we may have something to do.
I'm
We'll
fine.
see
How are
what we
you?
Whatever's gonna, this transition here,
Yes,
but
yes, we will be here.
I don't know. It looks like they put a piece of plywood on top of it, so we should be able to pull them, and there's probably hardwood floors underneath that as well. That's what we're feeling like. So basically these floors continued on under the carpet, and they're all the way there. So hardwood floors everywhere, and they look like they're in pretty darn good shape. Not sure what to think of kitchen yet, but that's where we're at.